What if I told you, a machine could trade better than a human, with zero emotions? Today, I'm putting AI head-to-head against a real human trader on Binance, same money, same market, same time. But only one walks away with profit. Will it be human instinct, or machine intelligence? Let's find out. Video setup. In this experiment, I tested two trading styles. AI-powered trading using bots and algorithms. Manual human trading based on experience and intuition. Each starts with $100. No cheating. No extra tools. Just pure strategy versus automation. And trust me, the results were not what I expected. AI Trading explained. So what exactly is AI trading? It uses machine learning to analyze massive amounts of data in seconds. Things like price patterns, market trends, trading volume, even social media sentiment. Unlike humans, AI doesn't panic, it doesn't get greedy. It just follows the data. For this test, I used an AI bot similar to tools like 3 Commas and Crypto Hopper. Trades are executed automatically, 24/7. Human Trading explained. Now let's talk about human trading. This is where emotions come into play. Fear, greed, hesitation. But also something AI doesn't have: experience. A human trader can read the market in ways algorithms sometimes can't. They react to breaking news, sudden dumps, unexpected pumps. But there's a problem: humans make mistakes. Lots of them. Rules of the battle. Here are the rules. Both start with $100. Same coins traded, like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Same time period. 7 days. No adding extra funds. No interference with AI bot. Fair game. Day by day breakdown. Day 1. AI starts slow, small profits. Human trader jumps in aggressively. Quick gains, but risky moves. Day 2. Market dips. AI reduces trading, plays safe. Human panics. Sells early. Day 3. Big price movement. AI catches trend early. Human misses entry. Day 4 to 5. AI continues consistent small wins. Human tries to recover losses, overtrading begins. Day 6. Market becomes unpredictable. AI slows down. Human makes emotional trades. Day 7. Final push. Both make last trades. Time to check results. Results reveal drama. Alright. Moment of truth. AI final balance. $121. Human final balance. $93. Wait. What? The AI didn't just win, it dominated. Why I won? Here's why AI performed better. 1. No emotions. No panic selling. 2. Consistency. Small profits add up. 3. Speed. AI reacts instantly. But here's the twist. The truth. Important. AI is not perfect. In extreme market crashes, it can fail. It depends on strategy. And bad setup equals big losses. And human traders? They can outperform AI, if they stay disciplined. Final verdict? So? Who wins? AI wins in consistency, humans win in adaptability. But the real winner? Someone who uses both. AI for execution, human for strategy. That's the ultimate combo. OUTRO. Call to action. If you want to start AI trading safely, I can show you step by step. Drop a comment. AI Trading, and I'll make a full beginner guide. Don't forget to like, subscribe, because the future of trading is already here.